Hey everybody, how's it going? It's the Cubeaholic. Today we are going to be learning how to memorize the Rubik's Cube for blind solving. Now this is awesome. This is a huge step for blind solving because it's the other half. So let's get into it. First, we need a memorization system. So today I'm going to talk about the actual memorizing system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can apply it. Alright, so each sticker has a letter. We're going to have two sets. We're going to have corner sets and an edge set. So let's talk about edges first. There's 12 of them, or there's 12 pieces. Therefore we have 24 edge stickers. So I hold it yellow on top, orange in front. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y. Now I don't use X, and I'll use Y, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Here's for corners. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y. Alright, so why do we use letters? You can use numbers too. You can completely disregard my memorization system and you make up your own. That's what I did with the video I watched. Now let's learn how to use those in a memorization patterns. Alright, this is just an edge example. So we see this is the B sticker. So the B sticker must go over here. In the B spot is the W sticker, and the W sticker in the W sticker spot is the G sticker. Over here is the V sticker. Alright, so the order we have it is B, W, and then from W we go G, V. So yes, so we can execute to the B, W, we set up to that, G, and V. Alright, so now that we know that, we need to talk about how to get those in your brain. Alright, our memorization pattern here is going to be so L, G, V, B. So here what I would do is create use these things called letter pairs. Now letter pairs are essentially, we take two letters and combine them to make a word or a sound. So here we have LG, so I could use lag or leg. I'm gonna go with leg. Alright, and then I have VB. So maybe here I'll go with leg vibrator, or leg vibrate. I can probably remember leg vibrate. So now I just execute as how it goes. So L, G. Alright, now we're going to go to vibrate, so V, B. Alright. Something I should mention is this thing called breaking into a new cycle. Now this happens in both corner and edge targets. I'm putting this in the memorization portion of the video because you have to memorize when to break into a new cycle. So breaking into a new cycle is what happens when you're solving. So here I have my first target over here. When you come to the buffer piece before you're all done. So what you would do here is you fix that target and then you just solve, put it in the spot of an unsolved piece. Or yes, an unsolved area, so, or one that you haven't memorized yet already. So alright, and then I would shoot to V, G, and now you can see that we are swapping back with the buffer. Alright, so that's how cycles work, breaking into a new one. So when you memorize, let's memorize an example of that. So first target's A, and you see the buffers there. So we're going to go A. We see the buffers there, so we're just going to pick a new piece that isn't solved. So let's go AV, so like aviator KV, aviator Kelvin, and then that is it. So aviator, then Kelvin. Alright guys, so that's basically it for memorization. I will go in depth on how to apply it and how to practice in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. My name's the Cubeaholic, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.